I never find the time to maintain my Swiss Army knife, but when it starts to get dirty, difficult to cut with, or even worse, difficult to open, then it's time for a quick maintenance. Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how I clean, sharpen and oil my Swiss Army knife in less than 4 minutes. Preparation step. Before beginning, I simply eject all the tools from the scales. First step, I get most of the dirt out with paper towel. Second step, I sharpen quickly with the kitchen sharpener. Third step, I clean it with water and washing up liquid. Take care of the blade, don't cut yourself. Fourth step, I dry it with a towel. I also shake it to eject all the water. While I'm shaking, if you want to support this channel, the best way is to subscribe and share the video. Fifth step, I oil it around the base of each tool one by one. Then I open and close the tool many times. Last step, I dry the excess of oil with paper towel. That's it. It's not the best. It won't be razor sharp. It won't be perfectly clean. But for me, it's more than enough. I rarely have more time than that, so it's okay like this. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.